Yes, BD blast a freezer, typically between -18 degrees Celsius to -45 degrees Celsius, minus zero point 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit to -49 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 to 25 trays are regal size. Yes, BD blast a freezer to ensure preserve food quality. Yours, food factories, fish or meat shop. By freezing products quickly, blast freezers minimize the formation of large ice crystals that can damage the cellular structure of food, which helps maintain its original texture, flavor, and nutritional value. Enhance food safety. Rapid temperature reduction inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria and microorganisms, ensuring that food products are safe for consumption and compliant with health regulations, like HACCP standards. Extend shelf life. Products frozen in a blast freezer facilitate commercial operations, commercial kitchens, and food factory. Restaurants, food processors, meat, seafood, bakeries, dairy, and pharmaceutical transport goods efficiently. Manufacturing by brand. Yes, BD, origin China.